Student, today we are going to see next lesson the ugly duckling. First paragraph. Mother duck was really proud of her 6 new ducklings. They were soft, fluffy and yellow. Means one mother duck had 6 new ducklings and they were very fluffy and soft and yellow. They had feather. Okay, so such a fine little duckling. So they were looking very beautiful. But the seventh one was very different. It was bigger and its feathers were gray and shaggy. Shaggy means long and untidy. Means there was one different uh, duckling. It had long and untidy feather as well as its color was gray and it was looking different from these 6 new ducklings and that is why it looked so ugly. All the same, mother duck thought. Second paragraph, it's my baby duckling. She loved it dearly. But the other 6 brothers and sisters didn't like the ugly duckling. When it waddled toward them, they turned their back and ran away. Whenever these 6 new ducklings, they did not like this one duckling, which was gray in color and it had long and untidy feather. So that is why whenever they swam in the water, that time they did not like to play with him and that is why they ran away. दे टर्न देयर बैक मीन्स जो भी ये ग्रे कलर का जो डकलिंग है जो उनके साथ खेलने की कोशिश करता है तभी क्या हो जाता है कि ये जो 6 डकलिंग है वो भाग जाते हैं, उसको पीठ दिखा के वो आगे निकल जाते हैं और उसको खेलने के लिए साथ में नहीं लेते हैं. थर्ड पैराग्राफ. द लिटिल डकलिंग वुड गो फॉर अ स्विम एवरी डे to a lake nearby. The ugly duckling wanted to join the others, but they did not want him. They always swam away from him, and he was left all alone. Means this duckling they did not take to him while they played or they swam. So that is why he remained always alone. और जब भी क्या होता है ये उसको खेलने के लिए या स्विमिंग करने के लिए साथ में नहीं लेते तो ये अकेला पड़ जाता है. नेक्स्ट देखो पैराग्राफ. फोर्थ पैराग्राफ. द अगली डकलिंग स्वैम बेटर दैन द अदर डकलिंग विच डिड नॉट प्लीज देम एट ऑल. दे टीज्ड हिम अबाउट हिज अगलीनेस. हिज ओनली फ्रेंड वॉज हिज मदर. अदर डक्स टोल्ड हिज मदर, all your duckling are smart, but this big fellow looks so different. Why is so ugly? His mother only said, he is mine and I love him too. Means all these 6 ducklings they did not take to him while they played or they swam. So that is why his only friend was his mother. Means उसका अच्छा दोस्त कौन था? उसकी माँ. और another ducks also asked to this mother कि why this duckling is not same just like them or he is looking different and why he is so ugly. But that time mother answered to that ducks कि this is mine, ये मेरा बच्चा है और मुझे उससे प्यार है. ऐसे माँ उनको बताती है. Last paragraph. At last, feeling very lonely and sad, the ugly little duckling decided to leave the lake. He made his way to the river's edge and swam away with the river. So that is why at the end, this ugly duckling, grey colored duckling, decided to run away, decided to go away from these ducklings because they did not take him to the play as well as ही रिमेन अलोन. वो अकेला रहने के कारण उसको ऐसा लगता है कि मुझे उनसे दूर जाना चाहिए एंड ही डिसाइडेड टू गो अवे और लीव दैट लेक. वो जो तालाब है वो छोड़ने की वो मन में ठान लेता है और वो जहाँ रिवर फ्लो मीन्स करंट ऑफ दैट रिवर isn't it that in that direction he swam away with the river and left that place. इसीलिए वो तालाब और जो भी प्लेस है वो छोड़ने की कोशिश करता है और वो जहाँ नदी बहती जाती है उस तरफ वो निकल पड़ता है. Okay student, next page, first paragraph. Whenever the poor duckling tried to seek shelter, he found that he was always ridiculed by other smaller birds, animals, even human beings poked fun at him. He became lonelier and more miserable. और जब भी ये जो डकलिंग है वो क्या करता है, ही वॉन्टेड टू take shelter or tried to seek shelter or wanted to live somewhere. That time he found that all the creature whomever he met, he found that they always made fun of him or ridiculed him. तो उसको ये समझ में आता है कि जब वो किसी से मिलता है, जब भी वो किसी से मिलता है और जहाँ भी रहने की कोशिश करता है, उधर जो बर्ड्स है, एनिमल्स है, जो इंसान है, वो उसका मजाक उड़ाते हैं. सो ही बिकेम लोनलियर, और वो खुद को अकेला महसूस करता है, एंड मोर मिजरेबल, और वो दुखी हो जाता है. Second paragraph, by and by he grew bigger and stronger, but whenever he looked at his own reflection, he thought, I look so ugly. He was afraid to look at his own reflection. He hid himself if he saw anyone is coming. So if he saw that anyone coming, that time he hid himself because he didn't want to show to others. Because he was afraid, he supposed that he was ugly, and he didn't want to see also his own reflection. Because as the days passed, he became bigger and stronger, and he did not like to go in front of anybody. So always he hid himself. जब भी वो किसी को आते हुए देखता है तो खुद को वो छिपाता है. और जैसे ही दिन बीतते जा रहे थे, वो बहुत बड़ा और मजबूत हो रहा था. उसको अपना रिफ्लेक्शन देखना अच्छा नहीं लगता था. Third paragraph, one day when he was hiding among the reeds, he saw a flock of graceful white swans swim past. They were the most beautiful birds he had ever seen. How wonderful to be like them, he said to himself. So when he was hiding among the reeds mean tall grass, और ऊंचे जो ग्रास है उधर वो जब छिप रहा था, तभी उसने देखा है कि स्वान जो है वो आ रहे थे, और वो स्वान बहुत सुंदर दिखाई दे रहे थे. और तभी वो खुद अपने मन में क्या बोलता है, हाउ वंडरफुल टू बी लाइक देम. उनके जैसा ये ऐसे सुंदर होना कितना अमेजिंग है, ऐसा उसको लगता है. और मैं क्यों ऐसा नहीं हूँ, वो खुद अपने मन में सोचता है. Fourth paragraph, then came winter with cold winds and snow. Without any shelter, the poor duckling was frozen in the snow. A kind man saw him. He broke the snow and saved the duckling. I mean, winter season when that snow was falling. So that time पुअर डकलिंग वॉज फ्रोज़न इन दैट स्नो. और जब ये बर्फ़ पड़ने लगती है विंटर सीज़न में, तभी उसने वो क्या हो जाता है, वो बर्फ़ के नीचे दब जाता है. तभी एक काइंड मैन, जो अच्छा इंसान है, वो आ जाता है आदमी, और उसने उसको जो बर्फ़ तोड़ के बाहर निकालता है. इन दिस वे ही सेव द डकलिंग. फिफ्थ पैराग्राफ, soon it was spring. The duckling had now gained a lot of strength again. He found his way to the river's edge and swam further away. Means when that after winter the spring season came and duckling gained the strength. Means वो अच्छा हो जाता है, और वो क्या करता है, again he started to swim in that river. Last paragraph, one fine morning when he flapped his wings against his sides, he rose high into the air. He flew on and on till he found himself in a beautiful fragrant garden. From the thickest close by come. So when after some days, one morning he found that he was in the beautiful fragrant garden, and he saw that 3 swans were coming. We are going to see next all that in next page. So in spring season, when this ugly duckling was in the fragrant garden, that time he saw that white swans rustling their feather and gliding lightly over the smooth water. Means he saw that beautiful swans. Rustling means making light soft sound. So when they were making soft sounds in that fragrant garden. Fragrant means having a pleasant smell. So उस गार्डन में बहुत सुंदर गार्डन था, अच्छी स्मेल आ रही थी उसमें। उसने देखा है कि 3 जो स्वान है वो आ रहे थे और वो उसके पास दिखाई दे रहे थे। द डकलिंग रिमेंबर्ड द लवली बर्ड्स। ही वॉज अफ्रेड टू मीट देम बट ही फेल्ट अ स्ट्रेंज लॉन्गिंग टू बी विद देम। ही मेड अप हिज माइंड एंड टू अप्रोच देम no matter how badly they treated him later on. So when this duckling saw white swans, 3 white swans, that time he decided to meet them. उनके पास जाने के लिए उसके मन में उत्सुकता हो जाती है और वो मन में सोचता है कि कैसे भी वो मुझे ट्रीट करे, मेरी फन उड़ाए और कुछ भी, लेकिन मैं उनके पास अभी जाना चाहता हूँ। He swam towards the beautiful birds and bowed his head down to the surface of water. And what did he see in the clear stream below? His own image, no longer a dark grey ugly bird, but a graceful beautiful swan. The other swans swam round the newcomer and welcomed him. So after some distance when he swam towards them, उनकी तरफ वो जब स्विमिंग करते हुए जाता है, पानी में तैरते हुए जाता है, तब उसने देखा है अपने रिफ्लेक्शन को, अपनी प्रतिमा को देखा है और उसने देखा है कि कैसे वो सुंदर दिखाई दे रहा है। He was not dark grey ugly bird but a graceful or beautiful. Graceful means beautiful or smooth in movement और shape. उसकी जो मूवमेंट है वो कैसी है, बहुत स्मूथ एंड ब्यूटीफुल है। और जो दूसरे स्वान्स हैं वो उसकी तरफ आते हैं और उसको वेलकम करते हैं। लास्ट पैराग्राफ, द बर्ड दैट हैड लिव्ड मिजरेबल लाइफ एज एन अगली डकलिंग वॉज अ स्वान आफ्टर ऑल। ही कर्व्ड हिज स्लेंडर नेक एंड क्राइड जॉयफुली फ्रॉम द depth of his heart, I never dreamed of such a happiness as this while he was an ugly duckling. Means at the end he was not ugly duckling, he was swan. So at the end he understood कि how he was different from duckling. He was not actual duckling, he was swan. So that is why his growth or his changes of his in his body, that was different. And at the end he understood कि he was not duckling, he was swan and he was very beautiful. So he became happy and started new life with that other swans.